Is it safe to run wheel spacers on cars?
Installing a Acura wheel spacer is an ordinary option that most people will do. Mostly, car manufacturers will leave a specific wheel gap for upsizing the wheels. Therefore, there is a safe wheel spacer size for every car. For most Acura wheel spacer size, 1 inch to 1.5 inch is perfect to achieve a nice flush look. If you like a smoother, more comfortable ride, adding wheel spacers is one of the easiest ways to improve your car's ride quality. By increasing the track weight, wheel spacers help your vehicle perform better on the road. In general, a wider track means more grip in almost every application. You'll have a better experience when cornering. Don't get the cheap wheel spacers. The cheap wheel spacers are always in low-quality material, meaning that they are overall just much lower quality. Just like the wheel studs, BONOSS wheel spacer with grade 12.9 wheel studs are of higher strength than others with grade 10.91, which mostly reduce the wheel stud broken problem.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!